Using bookmarks is a quick and easy way to access the websites that you go to every single day. You can see here, this is a normal Google Chrome window opened up to google.com, but I can't see my bookmarks. So if I come up here to the menu and I click View, I want to click Always Show Bookmarks. Now my bookmarks show. I have 3 bookmarks up here. If I wanted to add YouTube, for example, as a bookmark, I would go to youtube.com, and if I click this star up here, this will add the YouTube bookmark to my bookmark bar. You can see it's popped up already, so that's great. If I click done, now I have these 3 links taking me to different places on the internet really quickly and easily. What usually happens is your bookmark bar starts to run out of space. So what you can do is you can edit these bookmarks, and if you remove the title, all you will get is the little icon. This works great for websites that you know the icon of off by heart. Now you get much more space in your bookmark bar, and you can add much more bookmarks into your bookmark bar. Now, let's say that you wanted to categorize your bookmarks. What you can do is right-click on your bookmark bar and add a folder. This folder, you can name whatever you like. I'm going to name it Work, and I can create another folder called Home. And now when I bookmark a site, let's say I go to this video and I bookmark it, it's telling me it's bookmarking it in my bookmark bar, but if I click on folder, I can drop down and add it to work or home. The other thing I can do is drag and drop bookmarks, so I can move them around. I can take it out of work now and put it in my bookmark bar, or I can drag it from my bookmark bar and drop it into my home folder, and it will be in there as well. So that's a really good way to categorize your bookmarks. The nice thing with that, let's say that you had multiple pages like this one, and I'm going to bookmark it in home as well. Now I have 2 different links in that folder. What I can do is right click and I can say open all, and it will open every bookmark inside that folder for me. So I can get quick and easy access to these bookmarks. Another way to quickly open a bookmark, you can click the link, but the link will take away that previous page that you had open. So let's say I want 2 tabs. I want this tab and I want YouTube open at the same time. If I hold down Command on my keyboard and click the bookmark, now it's going to open up that other bookmark in a new tab for me, like this. So that's a really good way to superpower your bookmarks, to stay really organized, and to access the things you need quickly and easily every day.